be making French fries. Literally though, we're gonna be making some French fries while there's some physical and chemical changes going on behind the scenes. We're gonna be talking about them all. So let's get it. We switched to IRL cam and let's What the heck? So first, let's peel off the skin of the potato. Alright guys, so since we're done peeling off the skin of the potato, I'll give you guys 3 seconds to choose if it's a chemical change or a physical change. 3, 2, 1. And you guys are correct, this is a physical change because it's still kind of a potato. Now it's time to chop it all up. Once we're done chopping off the potato, I'll give you guys 5 seconds to choose if it's a chemical change or a physical change. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You guys are correct. It's a physical change because it's still a potato. Technically, just cut in half. Alright guys, so now it's time to rinse the potato sticks. Alright, so let's grab some of this and put it in this, I don't know what it's called. Alright guys, now I have the French fry in this, whatever it's called. And I'm gonna make it wet so all the dirt that's still left inside that could, take a leave.
You gotta give it a nice wash.
Oh yeah, I can already see so much dust and everything.
You have to wash it with your hands.
Oh, wait, hold on. Alright guys, so it's done rinsing and I think it's pretty clean. Take a good look at that. Alright guys, wait. But is rinsing a chemical change or a physical change? I'll give you 5 seconds. Don't worry about it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I went a bit faster on that one. And you guys are correct. This is in fact a physical change. It's still a potato, just a bit soggy and wet. So now it's time to pat dry. Tissue towel right here. And that pat dry. So next, I'm gonna transfer this wet fries into a bowl, and we're gonna soak it. Now guys, we're gonna be letting it soak for about 5 minutes.
5 minutes later.
Alright guys, now it's time to, this might be. Now it's time to drink. Try my best on this. Perfect. Nope. No, perfect. Okay. Oh my god. Of course that has to come out in a second. Look guys. And now I'm gonna do a little more cold water.
Why are you washing the fries so much?
Because I want that softness and the crispiness at the same time. Alright, now it's time to pat dry this.
Again, right?
Not again. I definitely don't mess up. Alright, let's put it in. Okay. Oh, no,
Spread it.
I messed up. Spreading. Okay. Now here I got the slices, and now I'm gonna I wash my hands, and I'm gonna. I think it's fine. We'll just take a little swim in the oil. Paused. All right, and it's frying, and I couldn't be trusted, so I have my legal adult over here.
Yeah, legal.
Definitely.
No.
All right. Yeah. No. Yeah.
Wait.
Is that enough oil? Do you think that's enough oil? Okay. Alright guys, so this is the first fry. It looks pretty oily. I'm not gonna touch it because it looks extremely hot, but yeah. So while we're cooking it, is this a chemical change or a physical change? I'll give you guys 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You guys are correct. This is in fact a chemical change. Pause. Okay, now it's time to do the second fry. Oh, it's coming up. Okay, bro. It's not that crispy, but like, it works.